Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Trust Wallet to GCash step by step. First, open the Trust Wallet app and you can use either the mobile app on Android or iOS or the Chrome extension on your desktop. The process is exactly the same for all of them. Once you're in, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send to GCash. For example, let's use Solana, SOL. Tap on it, then select Send. Now, in the recipient address field, you'll need to paste your GCash crypto wallet address. This is the wallet address from your GCash account that's used to receive crypto. If you don't have it yet, just open GCash, go to gcrypto, deposit, copy wallet address, and choose the right network that matches your crypto. Then go back to Trust Wallet, paste that address in the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and tap Preview. Double-check all the details, make sure the address and the network are correct, and when you're ready, tap Send or Confirm Transfer. That's it! You've now successfully withdrawn your crypto from Trust Wallet to GCash. The transfer usually takes a few minutes to process, depending on network congestion. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.